Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn how to create MongoDB database in cloud. First log into cloud.mongodb.com, then if you are new, sign up, otherwise sign in. Once we logged in, we need to create an organization. So click on create an organization, and here I'm going to pass the name as CD and going to select the first option where I have more feature, then click next. Then I'm going to create this. Now next I need to create one project, so click on new project, and this project name I will give demo, then click on next, then create project. Once this project has been created, I can add my IP address if you wanted to access it from your local machine. Now next we are going to create one database. So click on database. Here I have different options. I'm going to choose the free one. Then click on, along with that I will change the cluster name. So demo cluster. Then click on create. Here you need to add the user ID. There are two different authentication process available. So I'm going to add a user ID and password. Along with that, you need to add your IP address if it is not there. Once cluster has been created, you can see the overview here. And if I click on connect, there are different options I have to connect to this database. I'm going to connect it from application, and I will use Python code, and you have multiple options here. And for me, I'm going to use Python 3.6 or later. So let me copy this one, and let's go back to the previous one. And if I go to the collection, right now there will be no record. So let's wait for a second. Yeah, you can see there is no record available here. Now next we are going to add some record from local machine. Here in this code we have a Python client, and using this client I'm going to make some entry to this collection. So there is a my collection, and this my collection I will add 3 record, 10, 20 and 30. Let's execute this code. Let's wait for some time to complete this process. This process has been completed. Now let's refresh this page, and we should get all those records. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, and here you can see we have 3 records with value 10, 20 and 30. Thanks for watching.